Hey everyone, in this video we're really going to cover the muscles and I guess arteries that are coming down into the hand, kind of looking at it from this anterior side and seeing what fits underneath the flexor retinaculum and what's fitting above. So it's going to be really short, so let's dive in. First thing I really wanted to highlight is this palmar aponeurosis. This is what your palmaris longus is coming down into. This is its main job, is connecting into this, and then from here, this is what's assisting in closing your hand if you do have that muscle. Again, this is a muscle that's kind of going away in society just through evolution standpoint. We just don't need it, so the body doesn't make it really anymore. You're starting to see this muscle just fade away. Kind of cool. So we'll hide that and we'll get rid of that palmaris muscle just so we can see down in here. So in that superficial layer of the extensors, we've got this brachioradialis sitting on this side. We've got pronator teres. We've got our flexor carpi radialis, flexor carpi ulnaris. In that second layer, we've got flexor digitorum superficialis. Remember, the S stands for it's splitting. It is going to split, okay? And then we've got flexor digitorum profundus, which is coming up underneath there. All of the muscles I just said, right there, except for flexor carpi ulnaris and the brachioradialis. Let's just try to find the right one. So, like I said, brachioradialis and flexor carpi radialis are the muscles and palmaris longus that are not going to be going through that flexor retinaculum. This flexor retinaculum is kind of, you can think of it as a band that sits around your wrist that keeps these muscles and tendons all tucked in there nice, so that it doesn't rub. And just keeps them secure. When you have carpal tunnel surgery, this is one thing that they'll come in and snip, is that flexor retinaculum to relieve the pressure on this median nerve right through there. Another thing to note is your ulnar artery and your radial artery do not go through the retinaculum. Your radial artery, if you remember, it's going to come behind the thumb, and then it's going to mostly make up your deep palmar arch, which is down underneath your extensor flexor digitorum tendons. So there's your palmar arch. But then you have your ulnar artery, which then creates that superficial palmar arch sitting right there in the palm, just underneath that palmar aponeurosis. So that's really it for this video. I don't know what else you would want to see, but that's what covers it. If you felt like there was something you wish you could have seen in the video, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be able to redo it so that you can actually see it. So, but if the video was good, please like it, and I'll see you on the next one.
All right, I just want to give credit where credit is due. These are the books and the resources I used for the videos. So first we have Essentials of Human Anatomy by Dr. Kurt Walker. We then have Essential Clinical Anatomy by Keith L. Moore and M.R. Auger and Arthur F. Daly. I also used Structure and Function of the Human Body by Mark Nilsson and Jamie Garbett. The last book I have is The Concise Book of Trigger Points by Simon Neil Asher. And then I used the app called Complete Anatomy. As you've seen from the videos, it's amazing. If you can afford it, I suggest it. It's such a useful tool when learning this stuff. So that's it. Have a good day.